What is going on, YouTube? I'm Brandon. You are back in the Gilstrap garage, and we've got Allie's Sporty up on the lift. Nothing too crazy going on today. Kind of a simple one, kind of at the time of the year where I start recording anything and everything that I can because the weather's changing and I'm going to start running out of stuff to share with you guys. So it's going to turn into a lot of little bits and pieces videos. We are not addressing this right now, but we will be maybe in next week's video for you guys. I think I've got what I need coming for it tomorrow or the next day. For perspective for you guys, it is Saturday, not even Saturday. It's Sunday, October 27th at 1:30 in the afternoon. Just got back from a little motorcycle ride, cruising for coffee. Don't know if that video is coming out. I don't know where I'm at with any of these videos, but exciting stuff today. We got all the paperwork in, got Allie's bike registered, and we're getting ready to put the license plate on. I'm not using this obnoxious, ugly, stand-up mount. She's actually getting the same mount that I have on the Dyna. So I'm gonna get you guys on the tripod and we're gonna pull this stuff off. I'm gonna try to get her to come out here and maybe spin a wrench around herself, but I doubt that she will. So we're gonna get this off, get a lay flat license plate frame on, and the back of this bike will be looking real good. Taillight was one of the first things we did. I didn't even make a video on it. Pulled off the chrome covers, and now we're gonna finally get this dialed in because this is atrocious. And if you've seen Allie riding her bike, you'll know that the back end looks pretty damn good, and we need the license plate frame to match. So let's get into it. So I don't really foresee a lot of challenges or issues with this installation here other than how low this bike is to the ground. It's so low that I can only get my little scissor jack on the front of it. So what I would normally do on a bike is this low is get the back brought up and disconnect the shocks and then bring the fender super far away from the tire so I have all the room in the world to get my hands underneath there, but that's not happening. I'll probably keep this paper plate as a souvenir or something, hang it up with my motorcycle plates up there. I have been not anxious, but excited to get this cruddy little mount off of the back of this bike for a while. Here's our plate. We're ready to go on. Getting ready to eat lunch here pretty soon, so I'm not trying to get my hands all filthy. Let's see if these little low pro guys, I haven't actually had the chance to use these. Let's see if these low pros get us in where we need to be. I have a feeling they might be so low that they don't do me any good. Okay, 7/16. Look how low that is. Worth the money. Uh-oh. Yep, I think we're too low. Need a little bit of space in there. All right, we're gonna do this the easy way. Maybe not. All right, now it's gonna come apart super nice because I just gotta get this socket held on each one of them and spin these off with a screwdriver. Perfect.
What are you doing?
Installing some new parts on Mom's bike. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. So we've got our rubber spacer, which will go here. Where's my hardware? Oh, washers, huh? Okay, no washers on the plate side is fine to me. But the inside, I think we need some washers. One thing that just hit me too, I'm a little concerned about, is if these are that short, then are they gonna hit my tire? Or if they're that long, I mean, oh no, there's actually almost not enough on one of them. What do you got for me? Some fish? Thank you.
You hungry?
I'm starving. I was just telling the camera how I'm putting gloves on because I'm expecting eating lunch soon.
You just assume?
Yep.
Assume I'm gonna feed you?
Yep.
It works like that?
Sometimes it be like that.
It's like I can read your mind whenever you're hungry and say, oh, he's hungry.
No, you pretty much just look at the clock and go, yep, he's hungry. Is Brandon hungry? Yep. We might have another issue here. Okay, these are metric. I don't like them. But I have a solution. Those are too short with that frickin' spacer in there. What to do? No, I say it. That's what happens when you buy parts off Amazon. Cheap parts usually have a cheap fitment. So be prepared. Alright. Remember at the beginning of this when I said it was going to be a pretty easy, straightforward install? Haha, shame on me. Alright, now we need some Loctite. And right now we need to make sure that we are pretty dang straight, because how that sits on there It says a lot. If you throw that thing on there crooked, it's gonna look like crap. What you don't want to do when you tighten this thing down is pull a frickin' dent into your rear fender too. That bad dog. Take another quarter turn or so on each of them, maybe. That'll loosen up quite a bit. All right, plenty of room. Looking good. So for these ones, 5/32 or 8mm. This should sit on here either way. This also came with black hardware, which is nice, but I have a feeling it's just gonna rust. I cannot wait to get those vanity plates though that we're talking about ordering and showing you guys what they're gonna say. It's gonna be a little bit of a surprise, but comical, fitting, fun, everything that motorcycles should be. Did a pretty good job, it looks like. It looks like it's on there pretty straight. Everyone worries about blurring their license plates out, but I mean, when's the last time you, like, what's someone gonna do, find my address? I don't do a good enough job. Probably don't do a good enough job blurring my address out as I should. But you know, I like to think that people aren't going to be weirdos and come knock on my door. I'm also not that popular, so whatever. Cool, I like it. Super simple, easy, fairly cheap. And it's the little things like that that completely transform the look of the bike. Like one little $25 plate and the back end of it looks completely different. Let's get Allie's take on it. Allie, come look at this. She's not gonna have a mic on, so her sound isn't gonna be as great as mine, but let's cover it up, get her blind reaction. Come hop in here. Oh my God, you're gonna.
Hey. Ooh, very nice.
Show everyone why you can't move around well. There we go.
I like it.
You like it?
We should have bedazzled it. We should bedazzle it.
Shut up. Well, wait, here's the thing.
Yeah, come in.
Here's the thing though. When I do some stuff to your bike and get some stuff powder coated, I'm gonna do this frame pink. Like
Ooh,
everything else, or whatever color we're deciding on.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
You seem to be pretty hell-bent on pink,
I like pink.
which I'm not a giant fan of.
I just like pink.
I think purple would look better, but you know, a lot of people got purple Harleys. There's not a lot of whole bling bling
like
pink
purple.
Harleys.
I don't like the color purple.
Yeah, I know.
She likes screaming red.
But
Right?
yep, that's it.
She likes screaming red and red.
I like it.
She
Gang,
likes-
gang.
She likes screaming red and pink.
Yep.
Queen.
All right,
You see me?
feel free.
I'm gonna go real fast down this hill.
All right, I'll take you to the hospital. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out the merch. We should have some available long before this video comes out. Maybe even sold out by the time this video comes around. The link will be in the description for that. Check out the Patreon. Thank you guys for your support, no matter how it is that you show it, interacting with the channel, buying the products, whatever it may be. Thank you guys for the last almost 4 years of doing this. No intentions on slowing down or stopping now. It's only getting better. I'm only doing more. It's all because of you guys. I'm just a lame guy who likes Harleys, and you guys help me show that off. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.